Hello and welcome. In this short training video, I will introduce you to some new tools and features we've added to your dashboard. If you're watching this, these updates are live and ready for you to explore. As always, when you log in, you will land on the executive overview page, but today we are focusing just on the cross table section. Now, some of you may already be familiar with the cross tables, so if you are, welcome back. But if you are new, welcome to the magical world of cross tabulation. This tool lets you quickly and efficiently break down your data, whether it's those most important reasons for leaving or your core driver ratings. To make things easy, we have pre-built templates so you can jump right in. Let's start with the most important reasons for leaving template. With just one click, all of the relevant options will populate and you can generate a table instantly. Once it calculates, you will see those most important reasons for leaving broken out by theme and subtheme. But now let's say you want to break this data down by department. Simply go find the department variable in the rows, columns, and filters. Simply click, drag, and drop into the columns. Click Generate Table, and now you will see a cross-tabulated view of your data by department. You'll notice that the total remains the same, so you can still view that company-wide data while comparing departments against each other. If you'd like to do additional calculations, you can always export these tables to Excel by using this half square curved arrow button. You can click this button and the tables will go to your downloads folder and you can open up to Excel. But next, let's check out the Net Excellent Score template. Navigate back to the templates dropdown, click on the new template, and now you will see all the relevant options populate, and you can generate a table. And now you will see a heat-mapped view of your net excellent scores, making it extremely easy to spot those areas where you are above our Work Institute target, which is greater than a 35, and also some areas of opportunity, and also some areas that may need more attention. If you want to break it down further, always go back to your rows, columns, and filters and find a new variable. Let's take job title, for example. Generate a table. And now you will see those scores broken out by job title. Of course, always that total will be your company-wide data, so you can compare and contrast with each other. If you prefer a more raw data format, you can go to the question ratings template, generate a table, and now you will see how those ratings are broken out on that 5-point scale from excellent to poor. You can always use that same drag and drop functionality. So for example, we can use term year in this example, generate a table, and now you will see how those questions have changed over time. And speaking of time period and term year, I do want to make an important note of the time periods filter. So you'll see here on the filters, this full period. You can always click on this section here and choose whichever time period you want to focus on. However, a little trick, I would keep this time selection to full period and then just use my term year or term quarter filter to narrow down a certain time period that I want. This time period filter selection is based on the interview date of when we actually talked to the former employee. So if you want to look at it just from that term year time period, click and drag over to filters, select a year that you want to focus on, and then you can do that same click, drag, and drop functionality for department. And now you can see those question ratings from excellent to poor by department, looking specifically at term year. So that's a quick introduction to the cross table tool. This is probably just a part one of a series, as there are some more advanced layers that you can dive into. But if you have any questions on what you've seen today, please feel free to reach out to your client success team or to me directly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.